Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off your notifications on eHarmony. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off notifications on eHarmony, firstly go ahead and open up your settings application. From settings page, tap on apps. On the next page, click on app management. Search for eHarmony application and tap on it. Now click on Manage Notification option. To turn off the notification on eHarmony, all you need to do is slide the slider of Allow Notifications to the left side to turn it off. Turn off the notification, and that is how you will be able to turn off notifications on eHarmony quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.